Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
SuperSonic Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about the software called SuperSonic. So this is the SuperSonic review, and right now we are on a sales page and the demo video is yet to come. So I'm doing an early review, so you can go and watch the demo video later on. I may go and leave the link later on for the demo video below my YouTube video somewhere here. So let's start with the sales page. It says stop paying huge monthly to expensive hosting platforms like HostGator, GoDaddy, DreamHost, etc. once and for all. Brand new 2023 focused Google supported octa-core hosting technology in the world to host unlimited websites and domains using ultra-fast servers for a low one-time price. Stop facing slow loading and security concerns. Get all your business websites loaded at jet speed and zero downtime. This and that, these are the features. You can read all these features, mainly unlimited and unlimited and unlimited 30-day money back guarantee as well. Okay, so he's Mosh Bari and he has been providing this hosting services for some time now, and you can take a look at his profile. Let's see here. Taking some time, it's already there. So 55 products. Okay, and if I go in the previous products, I think there was something with the name HostPresso. Let's do Control F, HostPresso. You can see this one here, 5,000 copies, right? So this is also a hosting software. So I guess, you can go and buy this if you want to, because this is a one-time software which will help you to host unlimited websites. Obviously, you will have to buy some otos for that. But in case you have some short-term needs, short-term solution, you want to host your website maybe for 4, 5, 6 months, maybe 1 year. You just want to test out something. You want to start a blog and see if it ranks or it gets you any traffic or not. Then you can go and buy this one-time software, because you might have to quit later on. So let's say you are doing some testing and you start your blog and then you don't find time, or it's not productive, or you are not getting the desired results, and then you quit. You want to take down your website, or you don't want to pay for your website forever. For example, if you go and start a website with these companies like Namecheap, DreamHost, HostGator, you will have to pay them every month if you want your website to be alive, even though if you are working on that website or not, doesn't matter. Okay, but if you buy this SuperSonic, even after you go and stop working on your website after 3-4 months, but still, if they are giving you lifetime hosting, that means if you don't even work on your website, still your website will be live as per the claims. Okay, so it's all depends. It's all depending on your situation. What are you trying to achieve with this? If you are here to establish your brand, for example, you want to open a website as per your company name or as per your own name, and you want that website to be live on the internet for a number of years to come, then you will have to go for those monthly recurring solutions such as Namecheap, HostGator, DreamHost, etc. In that case, I will not risk. For example, if I go for my website, my brand, my company name, I am using a monthly subscription for that. I will never go for any one-time, Warrior Plus products. Okay. So is this a go or no go? I would say it's a go for certain conditions. Okay, if you are into the testing phase where you want to start a blog or a website or something you want to test out for a couple of months, yes, you can go and buy this in 20 bucks, I guess. If you are only starting one website, one domain, this will cost you around 17 bucks. Okay, and if you want to start multiple websites, or you want to charge people monthly, you can get there, I guess, some other OTO in which you can find some clients. You can sell this as a service to other clients. You can charge them monthly if you can make it work. Okay, so let's see what else do we have here. So I guess sales page is all it's talking about all the features of the software, and let's get to the bottom to see if we have any frequently asked questions quickly. As long it's not claiming that you can make so much money with it. We have some screenshots here. Now these screenshots are not relevant with this product, because this product, this software only gives you the website hosting. That's all it has to do. And if your website makes any money for you, then that's your luck. So is it easy to get started with SuperSonic host? Yes, 3 simple steps. Is step-by-step training included? Yes. Do I need experience? No. How are you different? It's a useless question. Do you provide money back guarantee 30 days? Can I transfer my existing website to SuperSoniChost? Of course, that's the whole purpose. Does your software work easily on Mac and Windows? It does. How many websites? Unlimited, I guess. Do you provide support? Yes, they do. That's what they're saying. And you will get the email support. So that's it on the sales page. And go and buy this if you want to buy this. If you have 5 years vision, for example, you want to go and start a brand new website as per your company name, and you have the vision that you will be running that website for 2, 3, 4, 5 years, go for a monthly big brand, okay? But if you're not sure, you want to just start a review blog or some other kind of website, make money website, weight loss website for testing purposes, then you can go and buy this and then see how it works for you. Because even if you stop working on the website, if you have this one-time software, that website might still be live even after you stop working on the website. You don't have to keep paying, just like in other cases. Okay, I hope you understand the situation and you can assess your situation, that where do you fit into, and then make your call. Let's talk about the OTOs here. So these are the OTOs, front end, then OTO, what is this, premium something, and only God knows what else you have here. So to check out their features, go and buy the front end. After that, you will be taken through all these upsells and downsells. I guess there are 13 of them, maybe 12 or 13 upsells. So you will have to go and visit these relevant sales pages and then check all the features. What are you going to pay for? And then you can pick up the ones which you need and leave the ones which you don't, right? So yeah, this is a hosting software. I think you can buy this depending on your particular situation. Don't buy this if you have a long-term vision and you don't have to risk your brand on a one-time software, okay? All right. Now for people who are here to make money online, they will go and check out these links below my video here. And also you might find the demo link of this SuperSoniChost. SuperSoniChost, okay? So you may find the demo link below my YouTube video. You can click on that link which says watch SuperSoniChost demo here. If you don't see the demo video link, then probably you can watch some other videos. And if you are here to make money without creating a website, then check out these couple of links below my video here. The first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. And second link says make money with traffic jars. Now this Forex trading is currency trading such as Euro USD, GBP USD, and some other currencies, okay? Now, when one currency goes up, second currency goes down, right? So whatever the fluctuation between the two currency pricing will be, that's called liquidity, I guess, okay? So we are going to utilize our software to do this trading. Now, you do not have to, first of all, you do not have to understand anything what I'm saying right now, because everything will be automatic on autopilot. Because if you see the software here, this software does the heavy lifting, or it does everything actually. So it buys low and it sells high, and that's how you make profit. And today is Sunday, so when I'm recording this video, today is Sunday, so it's not working. It works from Monday to Friday. It doesn't the market is closed in weekends, so today we are not trading, but from Monday onwards this software will be working automatically and it will be making some profits. And let me see account history here. You see today is Sunday, so profit loss 000. On Monday there will be some profit, okay? So let's back it up, let's maximize. Anyways, now what this is, you will be getting the training. So if you come here and you click on the first link here which says unlock the syndicate, so enter your email address and name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email, then you will be taken to a video, watch the video. And this syndicate is a 7 hours training, okay? So you have to go through the training. In that training you will learn exactly which method we are dealing with, because you might be new to this method. Not everybody is doing this, because in order to do this manually you have to be a very skilled and knowledgeable person in Forex trading. I am not expecting you to be, or I am not here to make anybody expert in Forex trading, but we will help you to set up the whole system which I am using personally, and then everything will be on autopilot. So this software will be buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, and you will learn everything, how to set up everything in the training, okay? And the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. So in case if you want to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, okay, so let's say you want to make these reviews, you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, this Traffic Jarvis will teach you everything exactly what I'm doing right now, how to get traffic. It will also help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel within 2 weeks, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days maximum. So technically, if you want to replicate my career by making your career on YouTube, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. And if you want to make money on autopilot without doing manual work, then go for forex trading. I am doing both, because when I am doing this method does not work in weekends, okay? So I have time in weekends, plus even when this method works during weekdays, I still have time, because I literally have, once you set this up, I do not have to do anything. I only have to come and take a look at this screen, that what are my profits, if the software is working or not, that's all, okay? And that is all part of the training, how to set this up for once. And you will have my Skype support as well, because this is going to be a new thing to you, I'm assuming, and in which case you will have a lot of questions, and you will have to contact me on Skype, which is a mandatory thing. Contact me if you are getting into the syndicate, because I know you will need support, a lot of it, for the initial 2 weeks at least, okay? So go and try this syndicate if you want to make money on automation with the software. And Traffic Jarvis is all about making money on YouTube. And for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute, you can click on super thanks button. Subscribe is free, like is free, dislike is free. If you're not, if you're not happy, you can dislike too if you want to. Anyway, subscribe it. And the overview here is SuperSoniCHost is a software which will do the job, I guess, for some months at least, okay? Do not use it for long-term solution, but use it for short-term solution. I have no problem with that. Go and get it. You will find the necessary links below my video. And if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then don't worry about starting a website, because your website will not rank anywhere. You do not know anything about SEO, I guess, and it will take ages before you can get something out of your website, okay? So if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, just go and check out these two links. The first one is on automation. It's for people who don't like to work manually. If you don't want to make YouTube videos, or you have money, you don't have time, or let's say you're just lazy, okay? Then go for forex trading, and then let the software make money for you, and it does work, okay? And let me get back here where the second one, Traffic Jarvis. Go and try Traffic Jarvis if you are interested in working manually on YouTube and making money and making these videos, okay? These are the OTOs. So many OTOs here. I'm not sure what they're all about, but you'll be investing some money if you go and buy this hosting. Anyways, I guess I will try to keep this short now. Subscribe, like, and in the end, I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything, Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.